This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can adjust the gain and expo tuning on this drone. So to start, launch your drone settings and enter the control category. Here, scroll down and look for the gain and expo tuning. Enter this section here, and now you can adjust all the gain and expo tuning preferences for all three available speed modes. Those are Cine, Normal, and Sport separately. So the things that you can adjust are maximum horizontal speed, maximum ascent speed, maximum descent speed, brake sensitivity, maximum angular velocity, and also the expo characteristics. You can also adjust in terms of pitch, roll, yaw, or up and down. You will also be able to change the max control speed for gimbal when it comes to tilt, and adjust the tilt smoothness. You can also reset current settings to, well, restore all those preferences to their factory default values. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye-bye.